Never let anyone tell you that losing muscle after 60 is just something you have to accept, because that's not true. If you've noticed your legs feeling weaker, your arms not as firm as they used to be, or your whole body just running out of steam every time you stand up, sit down, or climb a flight of stairs, I want you to know something. You are not alone. And more importantly, this is not something you're stuck with. There's an incredibly simple ingredient, one that hospitals actually use to help preserve muscle in patients who are bedridden for days, people who can't move, let alone exercise. And if it can help them, it can help you too, even if you never set foot in a gym. Sounds hard to believe, right? I get it. But recent science backs this up clearly. This one nutrient can actually trigger your body to repair muscle on its own and slow down the age-related muscle loss that most people don't even notice until it's already too late, until they're too weak to take care of themselves the way they used to. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what this ingredient is called, how it works inside your body, and the right amount you need every day to actually see results. It's natural, it's cheap, it's easy to find, and the best part is, it keeps working even while you're asleep. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll show you how to pair it with one everyday food to double the results without spending an extra dollar. 1. Cottage cheese. Let's talk about the first food that can make a real difference, cottage cheese. I know it might sound too simple to matter, but trust me, this humble food is one of the most powerful things you can eat if you're over 60 and want to hold on to your muscle. Here's why. Cottage cheese is packed with something called leucine, and leucine is the exact building block your body needs to make that muscle-saving nutrient we've been talking about, HMB. So when you eat cottage cheese, you're not just eating protein. You're actually giving your body the raw material it needs to protect your muscles from breaking down. And for anyone dealing with age-related muscle loss, this is a double win. The protein works right away to support your muscles, while the natural leucine slowly turns into HMB, which acts almost like a shield, guarding your muscle against the wear and tear that comes with getting older. Now here's how you can actually use this in real life. Start your morning with half a cup of cottage cheese, add some berries and a small handful of nuts, and you've got a simple breakfast that's doing real work for your body. You can also mix it with herbs, a little olive oil, and a touch of garlic to make a creamy dip for vegetables or whole grain crackers. But if you only remember one thing from this, remember this. Eating cottage cheese about 30 minutes before bed might be the smartest move you make all day. That's because the protein in it digests slowly overnight, feeding your muscles a steady stream of leucine while you sleep, right when your body is most at risk of breaking down muscle. It's a small habit, but it can make a big difference over time. 2. Greek yogurt. Now let's move on to the second food, and this one might already be sitting in your fridge, Greek yogurt. If you've been eating regular yogurt this whole time, I have to tell you, Greek yogurt is on a whole different level. Because of the way it's strained, it packs almost 3 times more protein than regular yogurt, and that means way more of the building blocks your body needs to make HMB, the very nutrient that protects your muscle as you age. But here's what really makes Greek yogurt special for people over 60. The protein in it doesn't just hit your body all at once. Some of it gets absorbed fast and some of it gets absorbed slowly. That means your muscles get a quick boost right after you eat it, and then a steady, ongoing supply for hours afterward. It's like giving your body a fast dose of protection now and a slow, steady dose later. So how do you actually use this? It's easier than you think. Next time you make baked potatoes, tacos, or a salad dressing, swap out the sour cream for Greek yogurt. Same creamy texture, way more benefit for your muscles. For breakfast, try layering it with fresh fruit, a few nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. It takes 2 minutes, and it tastes amazing. You can also blend it into a smoothie with fruits and vegetables for something quick on busy mornings. And one more tip. Don't be afraid of full-fat Greek yogurt. The fat actually helps your body absorb vitamin D and other vitamins your muscles need to stay strong, so skipping it might mean missing out on real benefits. 3. Eggs. Now let's talk about the third food. And honestly, this one might be the easiest of all: eggs. Nature really outdid itself with this one, because eggs give you one of the most complete, perfectly balanced sources of protein you can find, packed with leucine, the exact nutrient your body needs to build HMB and protect your muscle. But here's what makes eggs truly stand out. Your body can absorb almost everything in an egg, and actually put it to use. Nothing goes to waste. And that matters a lot as we get older, because our digestion naturally slows down and becomes less efficient at pulling nutrients out of food. Eggs make it easy for your body, giving it exactly what it needs without extra effort. So how do you make eggs part of your daily routine? Start your morning with 2 or 3 eggs, cooked however you like, scrambled with vegetables, poached on whole grain toast, or made into an omelet with cheese and herbs. At lunch, toss a couple of boiled eggs into your salad for an easy protein boost. And for dinner, a vegetable-packed frittata is a simple, filling option. One more thing I really want you to remember: eat the whole egg, not just the whites. The yolk is where most of the good stuff lives: vitamin D, B vitamins, and healthy fats, all things your muscles truly depend on to stay strong as you age. 4. Salmon. Now let's talk about the fourth food, and this one works in 2 powerful ways at once: salmon. Salmon gives your body high-quality protein rich in leucine, the exact building block it needs to protect your muscle, but it also brings something extra: omega-3 fats. Together, these 2 things create the perfect environment inside your body for holding onto your muscle as you get older. Here's why that matters so much. The leucine in salmon helps stop your muscle from breaking down in the first place, while the omega-3s work quietly in the background to calm down the low-level inflammation that builds up in your body over time, inflammation that we now know plays a real role in age-related muscle loss. So, salmon isn't just feeding your muscles, it's protecting them from 2 directions at the same time. Now let's talk about how to actually enjoy it. Try to eat about 4 to 6 ounces of salmon 2 or 3 times a week, and mix up how you prepare it so it never gets boring. Bake a salmon fillet with lemon, dill, and a little olive oil for an easy dinner. Toss canned salmon into a salad for a fast, no-fuss lunch. Or mix canned salmon with egg and herbs to make simple salmon patties. And for even better results, pair your salmon with colorful vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or broccoli. They work together with salmon to give your muscles extra protection. 5. Beef. Now let's talk about the 5th food, and this one might surprise you: beef. Beef actually has one of the highest natural levels of leucine of any food out there, which means your body can turn it into HMB very efficiently, right where you need it most. But what really sets beef apart is everything else it brings to the table. It's not just protein, it also delivers creatine, carnitine, iron, and zinc nutrients that work hand in hand with HMB to keep your muscles strong and intact as you age. Think of it as a full support team for your muscles, not just one nutrient working alone. Now here's how to make the most of it. Choose leaner cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or 93% lean ground beef, and eat it 2 to 3 times a week in portions about the size of your palm, 3 to 4 ounces. Try a quick stir fry with thin sliced beef, colorful vegetables, and a little ginger. You can also add beef to a hearty soup with beans and vegetables for a warm, filling meal. And here's a smart trick to save you time. Cook a larger portion once, then use it throughout the week, sliced thin for sandwiches, chopped up in a salad, or mixed into your morning eggs. Small changes like these make it so much easier to stay consistent, and consistency is really what protects your muscle in the long run. 6. Whey protein. Now let's talk about the sixth food. And this one is a bit different from the rest. Whey protein. Whey is one of the richest sources of leucine you can find, made up of almost 14% of it, and leucine is exactly what your body needs to produce HMB. But what really makes whey special is how fast it works. Within 30 minutes of drinking it, that leucine is already reaching your muscles, giving your body an immediate boost in HMB production right when it needs it most. For anyone who's serious about protecting their muscle, that kind of speed really matters. So how do you use it in real life? It's simple. Add 1 scoop, about 25 grams, of a good quality whey protein powder to a cup of milk or a milk alternative. If you want to make it a full meal, blend it with frozen berries, a spoonful of ground flaxseed, and a handful of spinach. You can also stir it into oatmeal, mix it into pancake batter, or blend it with yogurt. And here's something really important to remember. Try to drink your whey protein within 30 minutes after any kind of movement, even something as simple as a walk or doing chores around the house. That short window is when your muscles are the most ready to soak up HMB's protective benefits, so timing really does make a difference here. 7. Quinoa. Now let's talk about the 7th and final food on this list. And it might just surprise you, quinoa. Most plant foods can't give your body everything it needs, but quinoa is different. It's one of the rare plant-based foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids, which makes it truly powerful for helping your body produce HMB. And it doesn't stop there. Quinoa also brings magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus to the table, minerals that play a direct role in helping your muscles contract properly and recover after everyday movement. So while it's feeding your body the building blocks for HMB, it's also supporting your muscles in other important ways at the same time. Now let's talk about how to actually fit this into your week. Cook a big batch of quinoa at the start of the week so it's ready whenever you need it. For breakfast, warm it up with a little milk, add some berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. For lunch, turn it into a quinoa bowl, topped with eggs, salmon, or chicken for extra protein. And for dinner, use it in place of rice in a stir-fry, stuffed peppers, or as a hearty base for a stew or curry. It's simple, filling, and one more easy way to give your body real support as you protect your strength and independence for years to come. So here's what I really want you to take away from this. Your journey to stronger, more resilient muscle doesn't end with this video. It starts with the choice you make today. By combining HMB with these 7 powerful foods, you're not just fighting sarcopenia, you're taking back the strength and independence that aging keeps trying to take from you. Muscle loss is not something you just have to accept, and what makes this approach so powerful is how simple it really is. You don't need an expensive gym membership, you don't need complicated workouts, and you don't need to move like you did at 20. This works with your body, not against it, protecting your muscle even during the times you're resting or recovering. Start small. Pick just 1 or 2 of these foods and add them into your day. Maybe cottage cheese before bed to protect your muscle overnight, or eggs at breakfast to fuel your body all morning long. Small, steady changes like these can lead to real, lasting results over time. And please remember this: it is never too late to protect and rebuild your muscle. Whether you're 65 or 85, your body still knows how to respond when you give it the right nutrition and gentle movement. Your strength is your independence. Your muscle is what keeps you active, keeps you moving, keeps you living life on your own terms. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.